as promised, guys, we are back to show you the accessories for these E-Tracks. You remember in the last video we put these E-Tracks in. They look pretty good. Now we need the accessories so we can strap stuff down. We also got those from Trekassy right here. They sent these to us to try out. So thank you to them for hooking us up. Let me show you what comes in this kit here. You're going to get your tie-down straps. You got a couple of these, like 4 of them. Let's see. 4 of these straps. So that's awesome. So you can get a whole, probably enough there for a whole car. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, you got the E-Track O-rings, so you can get those mounted in there nice. We'll show you that up closer. There's a bunch of those. We're gonna be able to tie a lot down with that. They also included some of these ones you can mount to the wall or something, and they also hold the E-Track stuff, so you can mount these to whatever you want to. So that's pretty awesome. It's the complete kit here that you need. The only thing, they don't include the screws or anything to mount these down, but you can put them where you want and pick some screws for that. But yeah, you got 4 straps, and how many of those? You got 4, 5, 6. You got 8 of those O-rings, or the O-rings, circle rings for your E-Track. So that's a good start for your track, especially if you only got the 16 feet like this kit. This is a good kit to start with. If you need more, they got a full lineup of accessories, and it is a universal E-Track system, so you can pick any E-Track stuff and it'll work in this track system, which is awesome. So let me get you a close-up of how this stuff and how it goes in the track. Then we'll show you these straps and how you would, typically strap down a tire and how it would work in here. So let's get over here and show you this stuff. All right, here's a close-up of what we got. We got 4 of these straps with the E-Track clips on them. We're gonna open one here so we can show you how to mount a tire. We got a spare tire over here for the RV. We're gonna show you what it takes to, how you would do a car. Typically, you're gonna do, each corner, all 4 tires. There we go. You can also see he gave you the 8 O-rings, or the rings here, and then these here, which, like I said, you can mount those anywhere you want, up on a wall or wherever. They hold the E-Track stuff as well. I'm trying to see if this has a rating on it. I think, oh yeah, working load is 1,500 pounds and brake capacity is 4,500 pounds. So that'll be more than enough, I'm pretty sure. So like I said, with these, pretty simple. With your strap, you got the little lever on the one end of the thing. That's the part you put in first. Then you push the other end down and then you let go of that piece. And that locks it in there for you. And that's the same thing with this. And then we're going to feed it through that buckle. But let's get a tire over here. We'll strap it down. All right, let me grab a tire here. We'll show you how we would mount this down on here. I'm sure a lot of you know, if you're looking for this already, you probably use one of these. So for speed's sake, I already got this put in there. Same thing, you're going to put that little lever, put that end in first, shove it down in, and you're locked in. Then you pull the other end of your strap over, and we're going to put our other end of the strap in here. Got it knotted up. I'll just pick this one here. There we go. Then we're just going to pull it tight through our strap. Just like that. Like if you have your car in here, you're going to do it like that, which is nice. And also, like we said, with these rings, you could just move them anywhere you want. You can latch anything to that, use your own straps, bungees, whatever you need to. And then when we get the other ones up on the wall, we're going to put the same E-Tracks on the wall. We'll be able to mount stuff on the wall too. So these are pretty durable looking straps. And like I said, you can buy any ones you want. They are interchangeable with the E-Track system. Sweating out here, guys. Sweating. But yeah, you can get it with the E-Track system. So you can grab your own straps as long as they have it. I know you can get it at a variety of places. So I'll leave links to this stuff down below if you guys are interested in any of these accessories that go with these E-Tracks. They're really pretty good prices too. They're affordable for what you get in your pack. So I'll leave those down below. Hope you guys found this video helpful. I know it wasn't that long, but just wanted to show those to you like we promised in the last video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit us up down below and we'll get to them. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.